Hi Leos, how you guys doing? I hope you all are great. I hope you all are happy, healthy, safe, fine, and staying at home. And I am a Leo, so I am really I really get happy when it comes to Leos. Okay, so yes, and okay, let's talk about something. Just wait 2 minutes. Okay, yes. Okay, so this is a reading for the month of April, May, and June. It's a kind of monthly reading, monthly overview. How will be your month? Okay, and I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers. If you want to support my channel, kindly help me with the donation. The donation link is given in the description box below. Also, help me with the personal reading. If you want to book one-on-one reading with me, the details of the booking is given in the description box below. Okay, let's check what's there for you guys in the month of April. Queen of Swords. Okay. Okay. Lot of lots of cards are coming at once. Just wait. Okay. Wow. Wait. Okay, okay. For the month of June, good cards are guys. Wheel of Fortune, the Tower. Wow. This is for me also guys, okay? So yes. Because I am a Leo, so I like my reading, okay? Okay guys, so you are like there's a Queen of Swords, the Hierophant, and the Magician. In the month of April, and a spiritual awakening is taking place. Okay, spiritual awakening when it comes to spiritual connections. Okay, it might be related to your career life, it might be related to your love life, whatever it is. Take it however it resonates, and leave the rest. Okay, so yes, in the month of April, you are manifesting something, manifesting a spiritual connection about something in the month of April. Okay, a lot of clarity is coming into your mind in the month of April because of this spiritual awakening which is taking place for you guys in the month of April. Lot of thinking is going on, lot of manifestations are taking place in the month of April. Okay, you are manifesting something, manifesting a connection, manifesting a communication or a clarity in your mind, whatever it is. So in the month of April, it is coming towards you. In the month of May, you are no more holding back. You are moving away from deception, lies, dishonesty, sadness, lot of sadness, loneliness. You are no more holding back. You are moving away from a lot of things. Okay, lot of things. Let me clarify Six of Swords guys. Okay, let's check it out. Okay, the Higher Priestess, Six of Swords, and King of Swords. Wow, King and Queen both are there, right? So here is a spiritual reunion is taking place for you guys. A spiritual connection. This is okay. King and Queen both. Okay, I hope you are able to see. Okay. Okay, so in the month of May, there is a strong intuition taking place. Someone is moving away from something in the month of May. Okay, it might be you or your partner, whatever it is. So someone is moving away from someone. Okay, moving away from deception, lies, dishonesty, and in the month of May, you will be highly intuitive. Your intuition level will be very strong. You won't be holding back anything. You are moving forward, moving away from something, moving forward from something. Okay, so yes, in the month of June, there is a tarot movement happening. Tarot movement, demolishing of bad or toxic relationship, toxic people, toxic situations, and establishing a new situation in your life. Wheel of Fortune, it's a lot of abundance is coming onto your way guys. Lot of abundance. Wow. Okay, so yeah, I really get excited because this is a Leo card and I am also a Leo. Okay, so Wheel of Fortune, a lot of abundance is taking place. A tarot moment is happening for you guys. A lot of awakening will be taking place, establishing of something, completion of something toxic, and establishing of something new. Justice will be served. Justice is coming onto your way in the month of June, guys. So a lot of justice will be happening for you guys. If there was something wrongdoing someone has done to you, so justice will be served. Okay, or it might be related, if it's career, it might be related to some legal paperwork or something will be taking place for you guys. So yeah, and if it's a connection, justice will be served to you. Okay, by someone. Yes, so a lot of good things are happening for you guys in the month of April. Okay, so let's talk about what are the universal message for you guys. What are the universal message for you guys? Nine of Swords. Okay, let's talk about the Chariot. Let's universal message. Wow. Wait. Universal message, Page of Pentacles, Knight of Swords, Knight of Wands. I just wanted to clarify Nine of Swords and Chariot because it came in the same reading like previous in the Cancerians one. Okay, Leo, so here someone is rushing in for you with a cup of offer of love, or if it's a relationship. Okay, and if it's a career, that means an offer of lot of projects, new projects and clients will be coming to you. There's a kind of moment will be happening either with you or with the other person. Okay, so yes guys, a moment is taking place, moment, traveling or something, some sort of that thing is happening in the upcoming months. Okay, for you guys, I hope you like this reading. I hope this resonated with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers. If you like this reading, kindly book on one-on-one reading with me. The details of booking is given in the description box below, and you can help me with the help of donations. I'll be grateful to you. You can donate on the link below, which is given in the description box below. Okay guys, thank you so much guys, thanks a lot.